Hey there. So in this feature demo, we're going to walk through how to change the number of product cards per row. So in a previous feature demo, we changed the number of products on the initial load from 3 to 4, which is great, but now we see that that fourth product is on a second row. And if we want that fourth product to be on the same row here for the initial load, those are the steps we're going to walk through on this demo. And it's really easy to do that. So in order to do it, let's navigate back over to the back end. And remember, the steps are going to be the same whether you're creating a new bundle or you're editing an existing bundle, which is what we're going to do. Okay, perfect. So once the bundle is showing here in the back end, we're just going to navigate over to our right-hand column, and you're going to see where it says cards per row for desktop, and we have an option for mobile as well. And so currently we have it set to 3 per row. We're just going to go ahead, click that drop down. We're going to select 4, and now you can see that all 4 of your product cards are shown on the first row. We're going to click on Save Changes, come back over to the live site. We're going to refresh that page. Perfect. And now you can see that all 4 of our product cards are shown on the first row here. And then we have a load 4 more button here. And that's going to show the remaining 4 for a total of 8 pre-workouts on this first step. So again, it's really that simple. And again, if you wanted to, you could come back over here and you could change it to 2. Or if you set it to automatic, then you're going to see by kind of a default, you're going to see 2 per row. And our card size that works with our automatic mode, which is what we've just set here, this will actually update how many you're going to show per row by changing the card size accordingly. So again, you have a lot more flexibility if you wanted it in the automatic mode. But again, that's totally up to you. And so it's really that easy to determine how many product cards you want to show per row. But as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. If you have any feature updates or requests, let us know, and we'll be happy to connect. Thank you.